Hello beautiful people. In today's class we'll be learning how to achieve this beautiful neck design. Starting from the center front, we are marking 1 inch and you connect the 1 inch to the neck width. For us here, our neck width is 3 inches. You connect it and you cut it out. For the back neck depth, I have it to be 1 inch. So this is it. You are going to join the back and the front at the shoulder and measure what you have at that neck area. So you can choose to lay the material flat this way and take these measurements. Measure what you have at that neck area. You will be using this measurement to cut out the band. The black band will be attaching to the neck area. So if you take this measurement to whatever you have there, you can add 2 to 3 inches to the band material in order not to have any shortage when attaching. So this is the black material we'll be attaching to it. And the weight of this material is 4 inches. If you open it up this way and fold, we have it to be 2 inches. So attach it to the material all around to the neck area. Gently attach it there, and after that you place a notch and flip it inward this way. Fold it inside this way, making sure that everything is lying flat. Give it a good press. You flip it open, grab the 3 pieces and sew them together. So friends, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. So after you are done sewing, you cut out the excess material, and that is it on how to achieve that beautiful neck design. This is the finished look. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you.